Okay, off to meet Emelle at the Breakfast Club. Hey, how's it going? I'm here to meet a friend. Thank you. Yo.
Hello.
How's it going, Mark? You're right. Yeah, good. Let me just get my settings sorted. Take the camera cap off. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, cool. Let's make it a bit brighter. Okay. Perfect. Amazing. Yeah, that's cool. Hold that. And then we'll get both hands kind of under your chin. And I'll just do a few kind of like dead straight on ones. Let's have a look. Perfect. Cool. And then if you can you like just push your chair back a little bit so you can almost be like laying on your hands. That's it. Perfect. Let's get a few landscape shots. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's great. Cool. So that's done. That's the first one done. Okay, I do a few kind of like top 3/4, okay? That's it, perfect. Amazing. Let's do some full lengths. Cool, I'm gonna come round to the side. Amazing. Perfect. And then bring that shoulder around me, that's it. Nice. And then let's get you just over here, and you can rest your shoulder on there for me. That'd be great. Okay. And now you were just kind of looking down that way. That's it. Lovely. I'll do a few close-ups. Let's try it from this side. So yeah, if you can, lean back on there. That's perfect.